In every Tamil household, a woman becoming a mother is celebrated like a festival. But for Monica, that celebration kept getting delayed because of PCOS. So many years, so many vratams, so many pujas, so many tests, so many treatments. But still, no baby. She'd almost lost all hope. Until one day, she discovered Gynoveda, India's first and largest Ayurvedic fertility clinic for women like her. With the guidance of Gynoveda doctors, she began to believe again that her dream was still alive. Since her college days in Chennai, Monica's cycle was never regular. She was diagnosed with PCOS. Local doctors gave hormonal pills, and yes, they worked, but only for a while. Then came the side effects of weight gain, mood swings, and no peace of mind. After marriage, she dreamed of starting a family. But PCOS had other plans. Her periods were delayed by 40 to 50 days. Ovulation was impossible to track. She tried everything from homeopathy to hormonal injections, but the results always disappointing. Then came the biggest turning point of her life. She found Gynoveda on Facebook. Gynoveda doctors were the savior of her life, who treated the root cause, not just the symptoms. With the help of powerful Ayurvedic herbs like Kanchnar, Ipli and Gokshur, they focused first on Shuddhi, detoxifying the body and flushing out all the toxins. Gradually, the gap between her periods reduced. She felt more active and energetic. Her skin cleared up, her digestion became smoother. Then Gynoveda doctors shifted focus to Shakti, building strength in her reproductive system. With herbs like Shatavari, Shatpushpa, Kumari and Dashmul, every morning she woke up with a new sign of improvement. Her body felt more balanced. And then, after years of waiting, a miracle happened. Monica became pregnant. She gave birth to her baby girl Trinika, the joy she had been searching for. The festival finally began, and in Monica's home, it hasn't stopped since. More than 20,000 pregnancies have been made possible.